Hey guys, Killer Bees Tech here. Following up on the video from yesterday, we said that we were going to do an update to our Razor quad and go from 24 volt to 36 volt. So we're going to, in today's video, do a little difference and show you what those upgrades were. Alright, so what we did is we went ahead and we applied the 36 volt upgrade kit from Fast Scooters. He runs an eBay shop. We got a couple of the options. We got the 36 volt, which comes with an extra battery. So if you see down here, Blake, can you point to the extra battery, that black box down there? Yeah, right there. Okay. It also comes with an upgraded controller unit that you can't see. It's underneath here. Doing the whole upgrade took about an hour to do. Okay, so you replace the controller unit, rewire the batteries, add the new battery, taking this thing from 24 volt to 36 volt. What it also comes with is a new controller. So the new controller has now a much better indicator of whether or not your battery's full, your state of the battery versus just the high-low. As you notice that Blake just took the key out of the ignition. So we'll talk a little bit about why the key is there, because now the other upgrade option that we bought is we actually made it so a reverse option. These dirt quads don't come with reverse out of the box, so the controller now has a reverse option. And this on-off, which used to be the power controller for the quad, now is the forward and reverse controller. And so now your on-off is controlled by the key. Okay, so a lot of different things here. And the last thing that we did on the upgrade option was we added a headlight. So a little LED headlight that comes. Blake, you want to point to it?
Thank you.
Yep, so a little LED headlight now that comes with it. So Blake, why don't we go ahead and get on, turn on the key so we can get the ignition system fired up. Okay, hold on. Well, that is not what we want to do. So it's probably why kids should, hold on, don't go anywhere yet. Okay, that's probably why kids should be wearing helmets, but that's a good lesson learned right there. And you can see some of the power that it added right there. Okay, so what we have now is we've got on our controller, we've got a 5 LED indicator. It's talking about our battery strength. Okay, Blake, why don't you go ahead and turn the headlight on, which is that red switch right there. Okay, boom. You can see right now how much it's lighting up the door right there. Okay, so if we come back around, I'll give you a quick view of what that headlight looks like in the front. Okay, so you can see it's pretty bright. I mean, it's not going to be the biggest thing that's going to light up the night, but it's when dusk falls, it's just going to be another little safety element. So we're going to take a break. I'm going to get this thing out of the garage, hopefully without Blake running into anything else. Right, Blake? You going to run into anything else? All right. So we're going to get out of the garage. We're going to do some time trials. If you remember yesterday, coming up the driveway, this thing, 24 volt, took about 41, almost 42 seconds. So this is going to be the real test to see about how much power this thing got from the upgrade. Talk to you soon. All right, so here we go. Brendan's on the MX650 Razor dirt bike. Blake's on the dirt quad. Hey, we'll get down the hill. I'll get the phone out, get ready, and we'll do some time trials here. All right, be right back. All right, here he comes. He's coming up. Let's start the timer. Now, I can tell already this thing has got more juice. You know, we've got a pretty steep and long driveway. You know, it's not the most juice. It's not the MX650 that you just saw Brendan zip by on. But for sure, it's got a lot more power coming in it. Okay. Boom. All right. 25 seconds down from 42 seconds. Blake, could you tell the difference in power?
I could tell it a lot, but I could tell it a lot going down and up.
Yeah, like that's almost twice as quick with the new power, with the new battery and controller on there. You came up in 25 seconds. Yesterday was 42 seconds coming up that. Heavier?
Yeah, because I go back now.
Oh, I think it's just gravity taking you down our driveway. And Brendan, I'm gonna time you coming up. So you coming up there, I think Mom did it yesterday in 21 seconds. I want to see what this MX650 with an 11-year-old on it comes up. Okay? All right, so we'll be right back, take another run up our driveway, which is about 600 feet long. You can do the math there. I'm not going to do it for you in miles per hour, but these kids are having fun on these razors. All right, so quick 36-volt upgrade test. Brendan's on the 650 dirt bike. Blake's on the dirt quad. And you can see our property around here, right? So, you know, pretty steep. You know, I won't say rugged, but pretty steep. Got a couple acres out here. So Brendan was just telling me that Blake's 350 motorcycle would not make it up to the top of this back hill. But since he's been playing around with the 36-volt upgrade, this thing scoots around the property pretty good. All right, so guys, I'm going to have you go up to the top of the hill to that horse trail again, okay? And then I'm going to stop recording and we're going to see how these things do. All right? You guys ready? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, come on back. All right, guys. Hey, looks like a bumpy ride, huh, Blake? But that's what an ATV's about. Is your bumpy too? Huh? That's what a dirt bike's all about. Hey, thumbs up on the upgrade?
Yes.
Huh? Thumbs up on your bike?
Yes.
Hey, would you give Razor a 5-star review for these?
Definitely.
All right. We'll give Overvolted and FastScooters.com a fast 5-star review too. All right. I'm really impressed. I'll leave a review for this guy on his eBay store, Fast Scooters. I think he also goes by Overvoltedscooters. Overall, the install took about an hour. Let me get back to me here. The install took about an hour. You know, it would be nice if there's maybe like a YouTube video or some pictures with his instructions, because some of the wiring harnesses are, I won't say are complicated. There's just a lot of wires down there. But this kit turned it into really from a really nice toy. Again, Razor's putting out some really quality products. This thing has a steel frame, suspension, you know, real inflatable tires. But going from 24 volt to 36 volt, you know, because over Christmas I did look for the Quad 500, which is the bigger one. But as you can see here, you know, Blake is, you know, he's 8 years old, probably 50, 60 pounds. You know, but this thing fits him pretty well. It's a great starter ATV. Really looks like and he should have some fun. And then we have the MX 650. Whoops, that Brendan just flew by on. Yeah. That thing moves as well. So at the end of the day, hey, good stuff. Hopefully this is informative. This upgrade was really a pleasant surprise. All in, I think I paid about $160 to add. But hey, good stuff. So if you like it, hit subscribe, hit like down below. We are the Killer Bees. Are we the Killer Bees?
Yeah. Yep.
Killer Bees. All right. Out from Castle Rock, Colorado. Take care.